So here's the deal. If you're tired and exhausted of watching endless webinars that end with the $997 price tag and all that guru, mastermind, expert, so-called wizard wants to do is sell you their course. Well, my training is free. I've been basically earning online since 1995. In just a second, I'm going to share with you how thousands of students ranging in age from 14 years old to a student of mine who will be 107 years old this August, knock on wood. She's been with me since she was 99 years old. She was a retired bookkeeper back in 1972, 50-something years ago. She knew nothing about nothing. All she did was watch my free training video, get a series of affiliate turnkey built for you stores, and let me share with you how this works. This is not a gimmick. This is plain common sense marketing 101. Now, number one thing you need to establish with your customers and your viewers is you need to establish trust. You're not going to scale. You're not going to do that if you're trying to sell. So before I share with you what I'm talking about, let me explain something to you. Let's say that you want to benefit as an affiliate with Amazon on a $3,500 professional commercial NordicTrack treadmill, which many of my students do. How do they do this? Well, here's what they don't do. They don't post the product on social media. Posting affiliate products will never scale, never work, probably going to get you banned, and it's not going to be effective. Rather, let me ask you a simple consumer question. If you're in the market for a treadmill, would you respond to a Facebook ad that said, treadmill today, 20% off, 30% off? Or how about the 5 best treadmill reviews for 2022? That's the answer. Let's say you want to benefit from a $300 gourmet espresso coffee maker on Amazon or Walmart. It doesn't matter who you're affiliate for, it all works the same way. How would you do that? Again, knuckleheads would post the product. That's not going to work. Rather than post the $300 espresso machine, gourmet espresso. Why not a review? Why not a recipe? Why not how to use this? Now, where do you get all this content? It's on YouTube. Do I want you to create videos? Oh, hell no. So sit back, relax, and let me share with you. I'm going to profile one of my recent students. She's been with me since the end of November 2021. And this is how she earns online, working smart with my complete turnkey system. Now, the link below, you can sign up and watch my step-by-step videos 100% for free. So sit back, relax, and watch this. So here is my student Jenny's website. Now, this completely turnkey website, you could customize it any way you want, etc., etc. So, of course, she's an Amazon associate, but how does she get people to come to her store? She doesn't get people by trying to sell them, rather than engage them. So this is a coffee, tea, snacks recipe store. So let me share something with you. If you want to engage people, do not try to sell them. Get them to come with curated content from your store. As an example, if you want to basically have somebody buy expensive makeup equipment, don't post the makeup equipment, post the makeup video. Again, curated from YouTube. So let me share with you what I'm talking about. So notice on her store here, now you might say, coffee, tea, snacks, how am I going to make money with that? Well, here's where you're being foolish. Let's understand something. Just because a person drinks coffee, what, they don't buy laptops? What, they don't take trips to Hawaii? Of course they do. So I want to share with you how to cast a wide net to catch small fish. Coffee, tea, snacks, beverages is the number one niche to drive traffic to any business. Why? Because everybody on this planet falls under that category. Coffee, tea, snacks, beverages. Beverages, of course, could be bottled water, could be apple juice. So you want to engage people. So number one rule, get them to come from your social media or your search results to your store. Once they're on your store, get them over to Amazon or Walmart or Best Buy, whoever you're an affiliate of. So let's go back to Jennifer's store and explain some of the features. So you'll notice that if I go to the recipe videos for, say, beverages or coffee, you'll see, and this looks great on mobile, by the way, you'll see that Jennifer put ads, engaging ads above and below the video related to the product. That's how you work smart. That's how you engage people. Again, I did not get people coming to my store to sell them. I got them to come here by engage them on social media. So let's take a look at Jennifer's social media page. So this is Jenny's Facebook page. So if you look at the page here, you'll see that she does not post products. She posts engaging content that she curates with my software in WordPress to her social media pages. So when somebody wants to basically watch this engaging video, it does not take them to YouTube. That's where the video was curated from. It basically brands it and goes to her website. So as an example, if I click right here, it's going to take me to her website. Therefore, when they want to come here to watch this video, they have time or demographically ads that go with the video. So if you're talking about coffee, at the top is an opportunity to buy coffee on Amazon, and at the bottom perhaps the opportunity to buy a coffee maker. That's working smart one step at a time. That's how you engage people, that's how you get traffic, and that's how you get sales on Amazon or any affiliate program. So in addition to the posts that she has here, these posts are automatically done for you up to 60 days in advance with an optional piece of software that I call Viral Reach. Now, it's not necessary. If you want to post daily, I suggest you can do that. So she uses a software program that basically posts from her page. So if you go to her store, she can post manually by simply clicking right here. Or she can post automatically with Viral Reach. Now, that's another subject right now. But here's what I want to share with you. I'm going to share with you how you can run $2 a day ads, not 20, not 30. Here's the mistake that the gurus and the masterminds and the mentors and the snake oil salesmen want to convince you of. Oh, you need to spend more money. If it's not working for $200 a day, let's spend $500 a day. I had a student last summer before she met me. Her quote-unquote mentor, guru, had her spending within 3 months $3,700 on a Shopify store. She got basically little to no results. Guess what? Newsflash. If your ad's not working for $2 a day, it ain't going to work for $200 a day. So here's what I want to share with you. You basically post organically to your Facebook page, and at the end of a week, at the end of 10 days, the post that gets the best organic results, interaction, or coming to your site with your Facebook pixel, those are the ones you turn into a targeted Facebook ad. That's just working smart one step at a time. So again, let me show you some other features of Jennifer's website. So here's where she can make money as an affiliate. And this is all tracked in the back end with their Facebook pixel. And then I have what's called the rewards area that you can track your business to my opportunity. It's very engaging. It's one step at a time. So as an example, if somebody does click and watch this, notice that her Facebook ad is to the right and basically step by step. Now, in addition, my software will bring in Amazon store content. But again, I just want to share with you, do not post the content on social media. That's never going to work. It's never going to scale. But once they come to your store, then they have the opportunity to shop for content on your store. This is done with a freemium plugin. But the objective here is you're going to have traffic coming to your store with value-based videos. So again, once again, let me explain this. If you want to sell an expensive, nor to track commercial treadmill, don't post the treadmill. Post a workout video. Post a review. Post the 5 best treadmills for 2022. That's working smart. This works, believe me. Now, in full disclosure here, before you go, again, click the link below in the YouTube video and watch the rest of my free training video. I have students that make $150 a week, which is $600 a month, which I consider is bullshit money. I have students that make 6 figures a month. Okay, now, to be honest, the 6-figure a month students, they've been with me for 2 or 3 years plus. Now, here's what I want you to understand. The number one reason why people fail to make money online is they simply give up. 95%, 9.5 out of 10 people will fail to make money online because they simply give up. They didn't make their $50,000 in the next 2 weeks, so they're on to the next shiny object. And the next shiny object, in 5 years from now, they're still not making money. So you have to treat this like a serious business. You wouldn't open an ice cream store on Main Street and try for a couple of weeks, would you? Of course not. Nor could you, because you're probably locked into a 3 to 5 year lease. So this system works. So again, I have students that I would like to think that the majority of my students are making big money, but that's not true. And anybody that tells you that's totally, they're lying to you. The reason that most of my students don't make a lot of money is they simply give up. Like I said, I have students that make $150 a week. I have students that make six figures a year. I have students that make six figures a month. But like anything else, and this is something I learned last summer, 2021, I had a student that consistently made $1,200, $1,300 a month. And I approached her. I says, look, you could do some minor tweaks. Robert, get off my back. Robert, I'm happy. I'm on a fixed income. Making $1,500, $1,800 a month works for me. Leave me alone. I realized, wow, you know what? Everybody has their comfort zone. So if you're happy making $150 a week, good for you. But there's more out there. My system works because you're engaging people. So basically, you have two opportunities to earn. You have the opportunity to learn from an affiliate program like Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart. You also have a high-ticket item. I say that very loosely. My 5-site package, complete turnkey system, runs $897 for 5 sites over the entire year. That runs about 49 cents per day per website. Simple, simple, simple. You have access to over $1,200 worth of premium WordPress plugins. Now you can also do a $299 every 3-month program as well. First month, $399, $100 goes towards licensing. So watch the rest of my videos. If you're tired of chasing the next shiny object and the gurus and the masterminds and a $997 webinar, you've come to the right place. I'm here to help you every step of the way. But I 100% assure you nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. Thanks again for being here. Carpe Diem 2022.